In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Forms name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to edit, and how to confirm the change so your form looks polished and easy to find. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft Forms. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to do so. Just proceed to the Forms homepage. On this page, you'll see your recent items front and center. This is the quickest place to pick the quiz or survey you want to rename. If you have a lot of content, will take a moment to scan the recent section. The thumbnail and last edited time can help you identify the right one. You can also rely on the titles you remember, which makes keeping names clear even more important. Click the form or quiz you want to update to open it in the design view. In the example, you might see something like an animal quiz, but the process is identical no matter what your form is about. Once the form is open, look for the title at the very top of the page. This title is what respondents see as the headline and what you see in your list of forms. Click directly on that title to make it editable. You'll see the cursor appear, which means you're ready to type. Now, enter your new form name. Think about clarity and consistency here. Include a concise topic, who it's for if relevant, and any helpful labels like a date or version. For example, instead of something generic, consider a name that quickly tells you and your respondents what to expect. Keeping titles short but descriptive makes them easier to scan later. After typing the new name, press enter to apply the change. Microsoft Forms saves automatically, so there's no separate save button. You'll notice the updated title reflected immediately at the top of the page. When you head back to your Forms homepage, you'll also see the new name in your recent list, making it simple to find next time. A few quick tips as you finalize the name. Avoid special characters that might look cluttered. Use a consistent naming pattern across your forms so your workspace stays organized. And choose wording that makes sense to your audience. Renaming a form doesn't change its questions, responses, or sharing settings, and any existing share link will continue to work with the new title. That's all you need to change a Microsoft Forms name quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.